Today we're going to be looking at using Google Cloud Vision for thumbnails. My name is Julian, this is Just Fact Reviews, and in this video, like I said, we are going to be looking at using a tool called Google Cloud Vision for your thumbnails or images so that you can make sure they are safe for Google. Okay? A lot of times you might create a thumbnail or something like that and not realize if there is something in it that could get you in hot water with Google or YouTube. So I found this free tool, which I'm going to leave a link below this video for you so that you can check it out as well. And I'm just going to get straight to it right now and demonstrate. As you can see, we're on the page. So as we're going to do, scroll down to the almost bottom of the page, and you're going to see try the API right here. And there's a section for you to drag in your thumbnail image or your graphic art or whatever it is you'd like to have checked out. Okay, so I prepared something on the side here, and I'm just going to pull that into the image, into the Google machine. And actually, do not forget this important tip to scroll down and click on this I am not a robot. Okay, or else it won't work. And as you can see here now, it's pulled up the thumbnail. Let me just get that in a better spot. And you can see it's got faces, objects, labels, logos, text, properties, and safe search. So right now we're on faces, and as you can see, it has recognized the lady's face in this image, but you're looking to see also notice that she has headwear. In some instances, it will also point out in more detail if the person is portraying joy, sorrow, anger, surprise, or if the image is exposed or blurred. Okay? Now, next we're going to get into the objects. It automatically notices the lipstick and, once again, the woman in the image. Okay? You go over to labels, and you can scroll down here, and it will show you all the kind of things it's picked up on. All right? Logos. As you can see here, it's noticed automatically the Facebook logo, and it wrote path, but the Pinterest logo as well. Okay? Next, I'll go over to text, and this tool also picks up all of the text in there, as well as F for Facebook. It goes down, best lipstick. That could be written somewhere in here where you may not even see. It could be faded out, but it is in there, and Google will pick up on that, and the word "Hey girl." Okay? As well as best lipstick and everything, right? It will pick up on all those things. The properties, it will pick up on all the colors that are used within your logo, and I believe it will also give you all the color codes as you go through them, right? So if you had to recreate or make more of the same type style thumbnails, you would be able to get the exact color codes you use in this one if you want to make a series of the same ones as well. And the most important thing that I use it for is the safe search. And this is because it will tell you things like if they feel this thumbnail is a bit too much on the adult side as it is here, or the more important one, if it's racy. And these are things that could get you in trouble with Google or YouTube and cause you things like copyright strikes, or maybe to have your video taken down or flagged in some kind of way, which would be a waste of your time for your work. So I'll do one more quickly just to show you. This next one is not an actual thumbnail. It's just a series of, I guess, images that I threw on a thumbnail-sized picture. And I will make sure I go down once again. I am not a robot. And go back up. So you can see the images right here. Right off the bat, it picks up on the that she's displaying joy within her face. It's a joyful face. And there is also headwear. Okay. Objects picked up on, obviously the bathing suit, the girl in the photo, the tires on the car, and stuff like that. And it'll show you when you slide up and down there all the things it's picked up on. Labels, it hasn't picked up on any. Logos, it picks up on the Ruth Chris one. I am quite surprised in this instance that it did not pick up on that McDonald's symbol. Sorry, let me get that steady there. And the text, as I showed you before, it picks up on all the text that is in the thumbnail. The properties, once again, all the colors, and would be able to give you all those color codes to the exact match if you had to recreate something. And like I said, once again, what I use it for is the very fact that it will tell me if something is in my graphic designs or my thumbnail art that could cost me in the long run with Google or YouTube. So we'll hit safe search, and once again, I know right away, because of the girl in the bathing suit, it's going to be more classified as an adult thing and also racy. So I know this is not a good thumbnail at all, but you would want to stay away from things like that, like a woman in a bathing suit and stuff like that in your thumbnails if you can avoid it, because it's going to be flagged as a more racy and actually on the more adult side of things, as we've seen in the last two examples. Not to take up too much time, but quickly, I have one more just to show you the difference. Let's just see what it picks up in this last one here. Okay, and no, we'll do that, and don't forget to verify that you're not a robot. Just wait for that to load in there. And now you see we have a chef here. It picks up on the headwear right away. Objects in the video, it obviously picks up on the hat and the person. The labels, it picks up on the gestures and all the other things, happy and things like that within the logo, within the thumbnail. And this little piece of art here, see, is something that you may think you found somewhere or you're using it offline, but it actually belongs to the Vitamin Shop. I guess that is their logo or their symbol for the Vitamin Shop, and it's picked up on that. The text, once again, it does pick up on all the text used in the thumbnail. Properties, like I said before, all the colors and stuff like that and the color codes. And what we use it for is to see if it's considered a safe image by Google and YouTube. And right here we have spoof, medical, and violence. I don't know how it picks up on violence and stuff like that in an image like this. Maybe you could consider the hand gestures or something like that. But that's just to show you, it is a free tool. Like I said before, I will leave it in the description below if you would like to check it out and use it for yourself. I don't use it to check all my thumbnails, but every now and then when I am just maybe questioning something or other that I put in one, I will just run it through this tool just to check and see what Google is looking at and seeing within there that I may not be seeing with the naked eye. Okay, so that's it for this video, folks. My name's Julian once again from Just Facts Reviews, and I'd like to know, is there any tools that you use when creating your thumbnails? And if so, leave that in the comments below. I enjoy making these videos for you, and I will be making more videos on tips, tricks, as well as how to get monetized for your channel in future videos. So if you would like to see those, please like, share, subscribe, and share, these videos amongst people who are using it or doing marketing within the YouTube space. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.